Welcome guys. Okay, here I have with me a new industrial sewing machine. As you can see, it's stiff, it's not reacting. Yeah, the owner just got it new, and while using it suddenly got stuck. So here I'll be freeing this machine from what got it to be stuck. If this is a video you like to watch, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. Alright, first of all, we'll be identifying where the problem is coming from, and it's over here. So I'm going to lose out the plate, so I'll be able to view the engine very clearly. So the problem is coming from this side. As I'm trying to rotate the hand wheel, as you can see, it's just reacting a little bit. It's just reacting, but it's not turning entirely. So the problem is from this side now. The engine thread got stuck inside. So I'll be removing the thread that got stuck inside the engine. So first of all, I'll take out the shuttle, and then I'm going to show you how to take out the thread that got this engine now stuck. So once I dislocate this engine now, you see that the machine will be free. So first of all, this is what you do. You lose out this one over here. After losing that nut, then you bring out this thing right here now. This is what joins the inner engine with the machine. So I'm just going to move it out. So I just brought it out a little bit like this. It's out of the way now. So here the machine is moving again. As you can see, I'm rotating it and it's just moving. But this is not the end of it. I'm still going to remove that thread that is inside the engine so that the engine can move on its own. So I'm going to take out the needle first. Then this is the next step. The next step is to get a screwdriver, a small one. Like this screwdriver is used to lose your shuttle, to adjust the shuttle. So I'll be using it to work on the machine right now. So you just bring it here. This is the thread that got the engine to be stuck. This thread now, I'll be taking this thread out. So this is how to do it. You are going to fix this screwdriver inside a hole or inside this engine. I'll just watch closely. Watch the camera. Now you see this hole right here. Now you're going to stick this screwdriver inside, and then you're going to use it to move this engine upward like this, like I'm doing right now. Make sure your hand is holding this one, so this one is not moving. Hold it very tight. Then you fix in your screwdriver like this, and you push it like this upward. Let me just adjust my camera a little bit. Okay, it's clear now. So you use the screwdriver and you move it up. As you can see, it's moving. Then I'll bring it down again and move it, this one upward. This is the thread. I'm trying to time this thread to fall out. You understand? So it's not yet out. I'm going to use this one to push it up again. Push it down to this side. Okay, this one has gotten to an edge. Let me follow here. Now move it up again. Move it again. Let's see if the thread can come out now. Okay, let me move it one more time. Alright, as you can see, the thread just came off. This is the thread that got the engine to be stuck. So I just remove it now. Let's see how the engine is. As you can see, the engine is free. This is the inner carrier of the engine. It's supposed to be rotating like this now. So that's why the machine was stuck. So having done that, you are going to be fixing this again. Now this is how you position it. You position it in between this thing right here, this one. It needs to go in between this one, facing this direction now, this position. I'm sure you understand. This place now that has a little gutter in it should be facing this direction. That's what I'm trying to make you understand. So once you position it like this, then you get this one. You move it inside. Now you make sure this edge now, you see in your machine, you see this place now came out on this thing now. Make sure it goes inside this thing now, this gutter here now. It's going to be the one to wedge the engine to be working. I just brought it out completely, so I'm going to fix it in again. Now make sure you do it very carefully. Make sure it goes inside that gutter now I'm telling you about. That's how the machine will be able to work. I've just fixed it in. As you can see, this is how it is. This is how it is. I've just fixed it. You see where this thing is lapping now. So in that case, as I'm rotating the head now, that other inner one won't be rotating. That's how the machine will be working. As you can see, this is how it's now moving. That's how it should be doing. You understand? The inner engine is not moving, just the outer side. So now I'll be fixing in that screw in order to hold that thing that I just fixed. Fixing the nut for it. Make sure you tighten it very tight. Make sure you tighten it very tight with a longer screwdriver like this one. So here, that's how to fix your industrial machine having such issue. Now I'm going to put back the needle and fix in the plate so I can test it out and see how it's working. As you can see, it's sewing perfectly, it's not skipping, it's sewing just fine.